I saw you on your phone under the midnight glow. Whisper words and secrets that I'll never know. You said it's nothing, just a friend you meet. But there's a shadow of doubt planted by a deed. Why'd you delete those messages? What did you hide? Sending photos to him while I pushed aside. We built our love on trust, now it's slipping away. Every secret kept, there's a price we both pay. I saw the photo you sent, meant for another's eyes. A smile I never saw caught me by surprise. You said it's innocent, but it doesn't feel right when the truth hides away in the dead of the night. Why'd you delete those messages? What did you hide? Sending photos to him while I'm pushed aside. We built our love on trust, now it's slipping away. With every secret kept, there's a price we both pay. Why'd you delete those messages? What did you hide? Sending photos to him while I'm pushed aside. We built our love on trust, now it's slipping away. With every secret kept, there's a price we both pay. Was it just a friendly chat or something more? Each hidden text, an unopened door. If we can't be honest, where do we stand? Love needs truth to hold, like a rock in the sand. Why'd you delete those messages? What did you hide? Sending photos to him while I'm pushed aside. We built our love on trust, now it's slipping away. With every secret kept, there's a price we both pay. Why'd you delete those messages? What did you hide? Sending photos to him while I'm pushed aside. We built our love on trust, now it's slipping away. With every secret kept, there's a price we both pay. Will we find our way back to the light? Through the shadows and doubts into the night. For every hidden word, let's write a truth anew in the open, honest love that we once